They can't believe that you are so hypnotic. They can't believe that you've got this effect on them. Like, you're just so dreamy, sultry, and you are their ideal. They weren't looking for love, and you came along, and I feel like spirit just planted you into this person's life. Like, okay, you don't believe in love, yeah? All right, then. I'm going to plant my butterflies into your life to make you believe, to make you become a believer, to make you believe again. Because maybe this person was an eligible bachelor or bachelorette, and they're like, love is for wusses. Love is not for me. Or, I don't do love. I don't do relationships. But they can't believe that you have captured their heart, you've connected to their soul. They won't say this. They'll repress their emotions, but they can't believe that they are opening up their heart to you, as well as prioritizing you. They can't believe you have this effect on them. Find you equally as dreamy. And they can't believe that you work where you work. They're like, no, there's no way. There's no way you're just a bartender. There's no way you work in a cafe. There is no way. You should be up in Times Square. You should be plastered all over buses. You look like a model. You look like a Louis Vuitton model, a Chanel model. You have a timeless beauty. Are you sure you're not an actress? And you're like, no, this is my day job. I do voluntary work on the weekends, or I play hockey. I'm in a hockey team or something of that. People cannot believe it. Your beauty is timeless, and you seem so unbothered and nonchalant about your beauty. You work extremely hard, and you love your job as well. That's another thing. You love your job, and some of you could work behind the scenes, and some of you don't mind being hidden. You don't even like attention, and they can't believe it. Some people may feel like, oh, if I look like her, then I will be, going for auditions to become a model. I would make sure that, I put myself out there, or I'll try and date a footballer. And you're like, really? No, I'm trying to save because I want to go to Mexico. I want to go to Thailand with my girls. They can't believe how humble you are. They can't believe that you didn't come from a supportive family, And for some of you, these could be your family members. They can't believe that despite the unstable background that you had, that you didn't allow your past to harden your heart. Despite the judgment that was on your family. So for some of you, there may have been a lot of judgment about your parents, about your family members, etc. And it's like, unfortunately, some family members may have gone a certain way, and they just assume that you will go that same way in your life. But they can't believe how you were able to profit off your skills and talents. And some of these family members are thinking, I didn't even know they had these skills and talents. Oh, you come from a very magical bloodline, butterflies. Very creative bloodline. But unfortunately, some people in your family were not able to materialize their goals and dreams for the circumstances that they were in at the time, unfortunately. But you still carry the DNA of the skills and talents that your family members possess. You are a generational curse breaker, and people are shocked. These could be extended family members. These could be people that knew of your family's skills and talents and beauty, but knew that your family members were not able to take these skills and talents to that next level. And they can't believe you did it. Some of you are on TV. Some of you are famous artists. Some of you are self-made. And they can't believe it. Look at this woman. She looks so exquisite and expensive. She has an expensive energy. She looks expensive. She looks like she lives in some type of penthouse or something like this. And some of you have literally transformed your life. You're living a very abundant life. So far removed from your upbringing. You come from nothing and you rose to the top. And these people cannot believe it. These people that knew of your family when you were younger, or these family members, they remember when you were younger. And they can't believe you transformed your life around. They can't believe they cannot access you because some of you are literally in the public eye. And they can't believe that they didn't spot this talent. For some of you, friends from the past, from when you were in kindergarten, primary school, not getting a bad energy off them, but they can't believe that you are famous now. Famous for your art, your skills. They always felt like you were creative. They always felt like you were a good friend, but they didn't know that you had this skill or talent. They didn't know that they were in the presence of a future icon. And when they see you, possibly on TV or on social media, they're like, yeah, I used to go to school with him, I used to go to school with her. I didn't know that they could do that, though. They never mentioned that to me, or they didn't show any signs of that when I was their friend. And they can't believe, but they're proud to say, yeah, I remember them. They were always nice to me. For some of you, they can't believe that you passed your driving lessons. They can't believe you bought a new car. It's like, wow, congratulations. I knew you would do it, but I didn't know that you knew you would do it. Some of you purchased a beautiful car and they can't believe it. This could be your mother. Maybe your mother's so shocked, like she remembers when you were little, to now being a grown adult driving your own car. She doesn't have to drive you around anymore because you've got your own car. You did it. You can't believe it. They're so proud of you. They cannot believe how beautiful you are. This could be a love interest. This could be your spouse. This could be a romantic partner. Like, they just get lost whenever they talk to you. They may zoom into your lips. They love your lips. They love your whole face. Your watery eyes. They find you absolutely stunning. They can't believe you have a body of a goddess, a face of a goddess. They cannot believe how balanced you are despite what you've been through. Some of you went through a very catastrophic time, possibly a breakup, or your world got rocked and you were still able to show up. You were still able to lead. Some of you are in positions of power. Some of you are fathers. And despite what was going on at home, you still held it down. You didn't disappear. You didn't run away. And some people who turned their back on you can't believe that you've now cut them off. Really? They can't believe you cut them off. They thought you guys were cool. But they did something that was weird. And you had to abide by your morals and your ethics despite the friendship. And you may not have said it in word, but your actions just slowly distance yourself and removed yourself entirely from their life. And they can't believe it. They're like, where is everybody? And you're like, I ain't got the energy to explain. They can't believe that you're not accepting of their investments. Maybe in the past you was, and they thought that they could keep investing, but now situation has changed. It's over. They don't want to accept that it's over. They want to cross your boundaries. But the more they cross your boundaries, the more they are being energetically pushed back, and they can't believe they are in the Nine of Swords energy, because you no longer want to participate in a friendship, in a relationship, in a whatever ship with them no more. This is what they were trying to avoid. They knew it was coming. They felt it was coming because they knew that they were being toxic. They knew that their fixation and obsession and controlling ways were not beneficial for you or for them. But they can't believe that it's really over. And they can't believe how they're acting in regards to still trying to force themselves energetically into your life. They can't believe they're in this state of mental anguish that they can no longer connect with you anymore. Yeah, they can't believe that they're delirious over you. I'm hearing that you won. You got away from them. You succeeded. Yeah. They tried to rival you, but you outlasted them all. You remain stoic. They can't believe you beat them without even knowing. Okay, they can't believe that you have triumphanted over them. Because some of them thought that you were not aware that they were trying to rival you. And they're thinking, but they didn't know that I was trying to compete with them, but they still beat me. How did they do that? They can't believe that you are unbeatable. How did you do it? By minding your own business and not stooping to their level and not competing with them at all. That's how you did it. They can't believe that they can't compete with you. They can't believe you outsmarted them. And the energy that they wanted you in is their reality. You or the people of the signs Pisces, Sagittarius, Virgo, Cancer, Leo, Cancer, Virgo, Scorpio, Leo, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith could be of